start, guess what? What are we doing today? Yes, we are making slime! Again, I'll be using some glue. Here I'm using Elmer's Clear School glue. Some warm water. Some shaving foam. Slime activator. And some colors. Here I am using Fevicryl acrylic colors. We'll make the activator solution. For this we'll add some warm water to it. Now let's put our activator. Now we'll mix it nicely. Mix, mix, mix. Mix it for a while until it kind of gets diluted. In another bowl, I'm putting some glue. Now I'll add some shaving foam. Not some, but yeah. That's it. Now I'll mix it. Afterwards, I'll add a bit of more shaving foam. Now I'll add some more shaving foam. That's it. Now let's mix. Now I'll add some color. Here I'm using blue color. That's it. Now let's mix. Mix, mix, mix. So as you can see, it's a bit light and beautiful. Keep mixing. So as you can see, the color has mixed nicely. Now once you get a slimy texture like this, you have to add the activator. So let's start adding it. I'll put bit by bit. Time to mix. So yeah, it's starting to form. I'm so happy. Time to add a bit of more activator. I'll just put a little bit more so that it does not get overactivated. So I think after I'll just mix it a bit with the spoon, it'll be time to use our hands. So it's coming together now. It's so tight and sticky now. And as you can see how it was before and how it is now, I think I'll start using my hand now. So yeah, okay. Oh my god. So okay. So as you can see, this is so slimy. And first it's sticky. I'll play with my hands in it so that it becomes a bit more. So after mixing it for a minute or two, I kept it on rest for some time. And now it's ready to play. Look how glossy and stretchy it is. So I love this and it's very beautiful too. So I really love this and the outcome was a success. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Bye.